Hi, this is Vizrap and this is Anupam Sharma. Well, as I said that I would be giving top picks for each sector, top stocks for each sector to invest in, and I've given auto stocks. Now I would be focusing on infrastructure. What I've done is that I have broken up infrastructure into parts like cement shares, okay, roads and infrastructure, those kind of, because infrastructure is a big, sector. Now, what is important is that if you are wondering that infrastructure is, suppose how many shares would you buy in infrastructure, because infrastructure has lots of shares, lots of elements. So what I would suggest is that you watch my videos. I would not be doing all of them in one. That's why I've broken up, and then you can think about it, because money coming into infrastructure will result in a boom in these sectors, because they're connected, they're interlinked. Like if you want to make a bridge, if the government is investing in making a bridge, it has to buy cement, it has to buy iron rods, it has to hire a road company, a road making company. So it has to, all these things are interlinked. Power, you need power. So that's why I've broken it up. Okay. So accordingly, you can, think about it and purchase. And as I said, always use your discretion, and you can always consult your advisor or your whomsoever you trust before actually putting in money. Okay. So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to give you top cement shares, cement company shares, which are backed by experts. And cement is basic for infrastructure, the development. You need cement to build roads, to build airports, to build anything. Okay, so I'll just quickly jump into the first share, which I would like to name is JK Lakshmi Cements. Okay, this company is backed by many advisors, and after, of course, everything is in line with the budget. The budget was presented on first, and we are seeing that market is now has closed out at 52,000 also. So JK Lakshmi share cement. This is a company headquarters is in India. It's of course an Indian company, founded in 1938. Subsidiaries are Udaipur Cement Works, Hansdeep Industries and Trading Company Limited. Okay. Now, if we look at this company's share, on 18th Feb, it closed at 382 rupees. Okay. And if we look at its PE ratio, that is 12.79. Okay. It's a mid-cap stock, and its sectoral mid-cap rank is 13. Okay. Also, it has given returns. If you talk about 1 year, 17.44, 3 years was minus 19, and 5 years is 46.1%. Okay. And if we look at its 5-year high, then in fact 2016 it was at 267 rupees, and then it touched a high of 510 also, and then it fell. It has been trading below that, and now again it is climbing. Okay, so, and it is likely to do well because of a lot of thrust on the infrastructure sector. Okay, so this is one stock. So the highest this has touched is 527, low is 181, and returns is around 42.75%, which is if we talk about a cumulative thing. Okay, so this is not a bad stock. This is absolutely a good stock. Okay. Second is UltraTech Cement. Okay, we all have heard all these names. They are popular names, well-known names. Okay, now UltraTech, about the company I'll tell. It's Aditya Birla Group company. It's a subsidiary of Indian multinational, Aditya Birla Group. Founder is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Founded in 1983. Subsidiaries are Ultratech Nathdwara Cement Limited. And let's jump into the shares. Okay, now I closed at 6,325 rupees on 18th Feb. It's an expensive share. It's a very expensive share. And if you look at its returns, then the returns are also good. In 1 year, it has given 41.34%. In 3 years, it has given 51.83%. In 5 years, it has given 126.32%. Okay, and that's great. The PE ratio is 26.62, and of course, it's a very expensive share. If we talk about its 5 years performance, then in 5 years, if we talk about in on Feb 19, 2016, from 2,844 rupees, it has now climbed to this level. Okay, the lowest that it touched was 3,140 during the pandemic. Before that also it fell down to 3,156 on 27 December 2016. Okay, but it ever since then it has been rising. Okay, if we talk about say 1 year, 5 years is away, is a long time. Then from 4,473 rupees on Feb 19, 2020, it is now 6,325 rupees on Feb 18, 2021. Okay, so this is also a good share. So I've given you the PE price, the return, and the 5-year thing. Okay. Third is Ambuja Cement. Okay, we've also heard this name. Ambuja Cement, formerly known as Gujarat Ambuja Cement Limited. It's a Gujarat company. CEO is Neeraj Akhoury. Founded in 1983. Headquarters are in Mumbai. The promoters are from Gujarat. Founders are Narottam Sheikh-Saria, Suresh Kumar Neotia. Okay. If you look at the share, it closed at 282 rupees. Now this is a good share. It's not very expensive. Okay. And if we talk about its returns, then it's why it is good, because the returns, if you hear, in 1 year it has given 40.8%. In 3 years it has given 10.02%. In 5 years it has given 44.77%. Okay. The PE ratio is 25.24. Okay. And sectoral mid cap rank is 3. And 52-week high is 290.50, 52-week low is 136.55. Okay, now if we look at its 5 years performance, then from 196 rupees on Feb 22, 2016, it has now come to this level. Okay. There was a low, of course, during the pandemic, 156 rupees. Before that, the lowest was, okay, a pandemic should not be counted actually. 203 rupees was the low. Okay. And if we talk about last 1 year, then Feb 20, 2020, it was 205 rupees. And now it's 282 rupees. So, of course, there is a growth in this. And it is likely to further grow because of lots of infrastructure activities happening. Of course, low-cost housing has also been given a fillip by the government. So even construction companies would be buying more and more cement. So cement is in demand. Cement. Now, the next stop is Shree Cements. Okay, Shree Cements is has headquarters in Kolkata. Founded in 1979. It has the Union Cement Company as its subsidiary, Raipur Handling and Infrastructure Private Limited, and Bangar Cement Limited. Okay, they are all Shree Cement's subsidiaries. Shree Cement is an Indian cement manufacturer founded in Bivar, Ajmer district, Rajasthan in 1979. Now it has headquarters in Kolkata. It is one of the biggest cement makers in North India. It also provides produces and sells power under the name Shree Power and Shree Mega Power. So it is also into power. Okay, so that is why this is a good stock. Okay, so if we talk about, let's see, the PE ratio is 49.26. Okay, and if we talk about returns, well, in 1 year it has given, the returns are not bad. 16.18 1-year returns. 3 years is 62.71. 5 years is 153.56%. Actually, when you hold stock, then you really gain. And stocks like these stocks which are of well-known companies, and when you get the pulse of the situation, like of course infrastructure has got a boost, so this will be applicable for the next 3 to 5 years at least. So you can really invest in this stock. Of course, because things are not made in a day, so they are allocated for some years. 5-year chart, if we look at the story, the trajectory, 10,801 it started, and of course today it is, I didn't tell you in the beginning, it's 27,623 rupees. Okay, so this has covered a journey of from 10,000 to 27,000. Okay, now if we talk about the low, the lowest was it was not during the pandemic, actually it was before that. It was in 2018 somewhere, 14,000 somewhere it was trading. During the pandemic, around 16,000 it was prodding there, but after that it has climbed. 18th Feb was not a good day for this stock. It fell down the 645 points. If I'm seeing on 18th, actually most of the stocks have fallen. These cement stocks have fallen, but that doesn't mean that you don't invest in these stocks. So this is of course a very expensive stock. 27,000 is not easy, but if you have that kind of money and if you don't want to invest too much, like two stocks, a couple of stocks, if you want to invest, you can do that. For this stock, I'll give you 3 months return is 14.77. 1 month return is 15.84%. Okay. Okay, there's one more stock which I want to add is ACC Cement. Okay, this is also a good company. ACC Cement is one of the largest producers of cement in India. It has headquarters in Mumbai, founded on 1st August 1936, and subsidiaries are One India BSC Private Limited and some more. And Sridhar Balakrishnan is the CEO. Okay. Now, if we talk about this share, it closed at 1,787 rupees on 18th Feb. And we'll talk about the returns. First, PE ratio is 23.48. Okay, it has a good PE ratio. 52-week high was 1,843, and 52-week low was 895. Okay, 1 year returns it has 25.7%. 3 years is 8.32, and 5 years is 41.63. Okay, in cement, what I'm seeing is that 3 years, generally the returns are less. Okay, so either in 1 year or in 5 years, you have more returns. So think about it. Okay, okay. So now, if you look at this stock, if you look at its trajectory in 5 years, so it started its journey from 1,278 rupees on February 19, 2016, and on 18th Feb 2021, 17,887 rupees. Okay, low, pandemic low. I'm not, I think I should not waste time. But before that, its low was around 1,200 rupees. Okay, after that, it has not fallen a lot. Okay, pandemic low was 963 rupees. Okay, after that, it again has gone from strength to strength. If we talk about 1 year, okay, so from last year Feb 19, which is 2019, it was 1433 rupees, and this year it is 1787. So it has of course risen. Okay. So I think in 1 year I'm seeing in infrastructure, in cement stock, 1 year or 5 years, all of them are showing good returns. 3 years, a 3-year rule doesn't apply here. So yeah. So sectoral mid-cap rank is 4 of this stock. Okay, so these are 5 stocks which I gave you, and this is Anupam Sharma signing off. Do share, subscribe, like my videos, and do not forget to leave your comments below in the comment box. And also, you can ask me a question. I have been answering some questions. You can keep asking, and that guides me kind of what people are thinking, and of course what I can do. So this is Anupam Sharma signing off, and do watch out for this top pick series. I'll be coming up with more topics. So bye bye and take care.